Alright guys, I know some of you may have been wondering, why did I skip some workouts? Why weren't I able to hit the ball multiple times? And why is my voice so low? Well, the answer is quite simple actually. I'm tired. I need rest. And this isn't the first time that I need rest. I actually tried this challenge multiple times already. This is the third time. The first one was in 2020. It was the pandemic. I'm bored, I have nothing to do, so I worked out. I challenged myself. I'm able to reach day 20 until I got sick and my body fall. I tried again in the year of 2021 to 2020. I'm able to reach day 54. But before I even reach day 54, in day 48, I'm already feeling sick, low on energy. But rather than resting, I chose to keep going. I thought I'm strong. I thought I can do it with indomitable spirit, adrenaline, willpower, but no. No, it was a wrong decision.